Hi, it's Darnell at Whale Recipes, and I know you've heard of Beyond Burgers, but have you ever thought of what if a Beyond Burger was breaded and air fried? How would that turn out? What might that taste like? How would that go? Well, I'd like to know too, and I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to go ahead, take a Beyond Burger patty, get it breaded up, and air fry it in the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. So let's get started on that right now. Alright, so let me show you what I'm working with here, because we're going to do more than just the breaded Beyond Burgers with them being air fried and all that good stuff. We're also going to have ourselves some buttered toast on the burger, and so we're going to do that on the other side. So we're basically going to have toast and these breaded fried Beyond Burgers. I'm only going to eat one though in this round, in this video. I'll eat the other one for some meal later. But basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go through all the ingredients of everything. I've got my homemade whole wheat bread. This bread's like super large, much larger than your regular store-bought bread. So I'll just basically slice this in half after I toast it to put my burger on it. And I've got myself some of this Smart Balance buttery spread I use. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way. Got myself, for my egg wash, I've got 2 large eggs and 1 ounce of water. I've got my 2 Beyond Burger patties. They are thawed. I've got a cup of yellow cornmeal for my breading. Also for my breading, I have a cup of all-purpose flour. I have half a tablespoon of freshly cracked black pepper and about a tablespoon of McCormick's Montreal steak seasoning to give it a little, interesting flavor profile. And I'm going to be using some cooking spray to basically get all over the breading to help it to fry up real nice. Alright, so to start, I'm just going to get my toast nicely buttered up. So I like this Smart Balance spread. It's kind of easy to spread on, and it helps to toast really nice in the air fryer. And so just going to finish with this right quick. And of course, if you don't want buttered toast, you don't have to butter yours up. Or if you like some other spread, you can hit me in the comment with the type of spread that you like put on your toast when you butter it up. But we're going to go with that. I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it over here on side number 2 of the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. Alright, so now I'm going to basically make dual use of the knife that I use to get the butter out, and just use it to open up this package for the raw, I guess, it's vegetables, so, and plant protein stuff. I don't know if you could really call it raw. I guess you could call it uncooked Beyond Burger. And I'm going to take my breading ingredients, put them all into a single bowl, so that I'll be able to mix them all up real nice. So getting all those in a bowl, just mixing my breading up. Alright, now for my egg wash, I'm just going to basically get these eggs whisked up with the water to make a nice egg wash to dip these patties in before I put them in the breading. Alright, with that done, I'm just going to get side number 1 open so I can be able to start putting patties in there when I'm ready to put them in. I won't have to worry about getting the handle messed up or anything trying to get it open. But got my first Beyond Burger patty here. I'm basically going to egg wash it. I'm going to move quickly because I don't think this stuff is very solid. From other cooks of it, I found that it's not, the patties aren't very solid, so I don't want to risk it breaking apart on me. So they're not very firm, I guess I could say. They don't hold very firm. So I just want to, get the egg wash on it so it can hold my breading in place. So got it well breaded up there. I'm going to take this other one, the second one, do the same thing, get it into the egg wash. Just kind of swirl it around in there. now get this one a taste of the breading. Get it out. Get it all breaded up as well. And so, this will be pretty interesting. It'll be like Beyond Burger meets air fryer. I gotta be careful. I don't want to put my wet hand in the dry stuff and, cause a bunch of clumping. You want to keep the wet hand and the dry hand from getting in the same bowl. So, we're just about done with breading up these patties. So there we go. We got 2 breaded up Beyond Burger patties. Alright, now that they're breaded up, I'm going to spray them with the cooking spray all over the exterior. That helps to give a real nice air fried appeal, real fried, kind of appeal to them. So just spraying them up real good on both sides. And as I flip it, I'm flipping it back over in the same pile of breading so that I can kind of help, make sure that I get them really well breaded. So I'm sticking that one in there like so, and I'm going to spray the top of it to make sure that it's really nicely sprayed. Now I'm giving a similar treatment to this other patty here. Make sure that it gets really nicely sprayed and wet with the oil so that it can fry up real nice. Alright, so we got that, and I'm just kind of taking some of this excess breading, just kind of throwing it on the edges to give a little extra. And now I'm going to flip it and put it in, because there's enough room for 2 on one side. I'm just going to spray on in there some more. I'm going to close up. And now that everything is in, I'm going to turn the Ninja Foodi 2 basket air fryer on. And over here on side 1, air fry, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to go cooking it real hot. And I'm going to give for cooking time, I'm going to try about 13 minutes. We'll see how that might do. Well, actually I'm going to do 15. Let's do a full 15 minutes, see how that does. And I'm going to go over to side number 2. And for the toast, I'm going to, got to hit air fry, go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And give that 5 minutes of cooking time on that side. With that butter, it should help it to give it a little bit of toasting. And so with that, I'm going to hit the smart finish because I want my toast and my patties to all finish at the same time. And so now I will just hit start and we'll let that cook for a bit. Alright, so almost 5 minutes are left. About 10 minutes have passed, and so I want to just check things over here on the burger side before I let it kick over into its cooking of the toast. So we see how things look. You see that the protein from the patty has kind of like oozed all out all over the burger, and it's not turning out as well as we would hope. I'm going to just check the flip side of this one. You can see the flip side looks maybe a little more reasonable. I'm going to flip them over. Just give them a flip like that there. I don't see anything that looks really dry, so I'm not going to spray any cooking spray. But with that, I'm going to let them continue. We'll see how this turns out. And you see that the cook basically just kicked on the other side there, so now our toast is cooking along with our Beyond Burger, breaded Beyond Burger patty. So let's see what happens in a little bit. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of this 15-minute cook of breaded Beyond Burger patties air frying here and toast being made over on this side. And so things are going through that final cool down. It does like a cool down period for about a minute. So I'll just let that cool down run. But I do think it's going to be interesting what we get out of this. I do know from experience our toast should be good to go. However, the Beyond Burgers that were breaded up, we're going to see what happened with that. And so now here's our toast. It's got some melted butter. Didn't toast very hard, toasted a little bit around the edges there. The Beyond Burger patties, there they go. So this is how your air fried Beyond Burger patties look when you bread them up, the outcome. And so I'm going to take the bread here, I'm going to get that out, I'm going to put that on my plate, and with that on my plate I'm just going to go ahead and flip and slice so that I have the butter on the exterior so I can get some butter on my fingers. And with that I'm going to take this mayo here, put that on the bottom. I like mayo on the bottom of my burger like that. And going to take one of these Beyond Burger patties, take this one here. Actually, I need to do a right temperature test, right? Let's do a temperature test right quick. Yeah, it's like real hot in there, so they're, you know, kind of hotter than you really need them to be, but that's okay. We were air frying, and when I'm air frying, I don't really mind going up a bit extra in temp. So, gonna put a little cheese, Haverty cheese on top of that. I'm going to take my ketchup, put a little ketchup on top of that, like so. Let's squirt that out here. Here we go. I'm going to get myself some mustard and make sure it's, you know, shook up a little bit. I'm going to squirt that on there a little bit. Alright. And now I'm putting my bread on top. And so there we have a completed air fried Beyond Burger with breading. So let's move the camera and do a taste test. Alright, so here's our finished product here. Let's give it a taste. Well, obviously it's juicy because I had to kind of wipe some juices off there. So it came out pretty juicy. It doesn't taste bad. It tastes okay. And got a little crunch, you know, biting through there. Feel a little crunch going through. And so it's kind of an interesting little thing to do, just something to have a little fun, do something a little different. And so I hope that you enjoyed it. And you can find the full recipe on my blog at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I've got a link in the video description to that. Also in the video description, other ways to help this channel. Be sure, if you would like to join as a member, you'll be able to see videos like this and others before other people see them. And that's kind of cool. And also, you know, there's other stuff there, referral links and so on, if you want to buy this cooker or anything at my Amazon shop. And so with that, you know, I'll just say that if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, please. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and good eating.